Hello everyone, pull up a chair because today I am going to talk about the topic on which I got a maximum number of requests. You guys have asked me this question multiple times and I thought to make a video on this, and this is the first time I am doing a vlogging. So I want to make a video on this topic, and this topic is how I became a researcher. You guys have asked multiple times how I became a researcher. So today in this video, I'll reveal all the secrets from clearing the NET-CSIR exam to entering into a IIT Gandhinagar, doing a PhD in chemical biology, all these things in this video. No fluffs, just raw and real details. Getting into a PhD in India is like stepping in a maze where each institute has its own set of regulation, own set of rules and guidelines through which they take the PhD candidates. If I talk about myself, I have cleared the NET-CSIR exam and through which I have directly given the interview and get selected in the IIT Gandhinagar. There are many institutes in which they take a direct admission by conducting their own exams, and there are some other exams like GATE that also helps you to get into the PhD. Now in this video I'm talking more about getting admission in the chemistry field because I have did it from the chemistry. To clear the NET-CSIR exam or GATE exam or any other entrance exam, you have to make a strategy that deals with the solving of the previous papers, question papers, and also you have to go through the you have to understand the exam patterns which keep on changing and get updated. You have to be updated with the exam patterns. Now if I talk about doing PhD from IITs or premium institutes, they take the students from who are qualified, NET-CSI qualified or GATE qualified. They call the students who have already cleared NET-CSI exam or GATE exam, and they can apply on their portal, and they call them and take their interviews. Talking about the interviews in these premier institutes like IITs and ISERs and IISCs, you don't not only have to prepare the subject but also you have to prepare like you have to be a also have to look presentable. Your body language should be good and you should have a good communication skills. That things also matters while you are giving the interviews for the PhD program. No doubt, NET-CSIR exam is a beast. It's not about routine learning. It's about understanding the concept, and it's you have to go through the various standard textbooks. For example, if I talk about my from my for my preparation, I used for organic synthesis, organic chemistry. I used Skladden and William Carruthers and Morrison Boyd book. And for inorganic chemistry, I use J.D. Lee, and for physical chemistry, I preferred Atkins. So these books is the standard books. You can go through with these books along with the notes available in the market as well as in the coaching institutes also. You can take the help from that also, but the main thing should be the in-depth study. The finding the fundamental study is very important for clearing the NET-CSIR exam. Also, one most important tip that I would like to give it to all the juniors is to go through the previous year question papers, try to solve as many questions as possible, because that will help you to increase your speed and also help you to understand the pattern through which in which the paper is going to be coming, and you will be more trained to solve the paper within a limited period of time in which the paper is going to be conducted. So these things is very important. Now, choosing a right topic for your research and a right guide is like choosing a partner for a few years, is somewhat like that. So it's a big decision. Your guide should be someone who not only align with your research interest but is also a mentor you can learn from. That is what it is. The guide should be you have to be very careful while choosing your guide, research guide, because he's going to be the major player in your PhD. If he's not good, then your PhD will be in a big trouble. I have chosen a chemical biology subject because it's interaction of my love for the chemistry and biology. My guide played a crucial, very crucial role. He has not only had experience in this field, but also had a valuable collaborations with other research scientists who has opened a good channel for me to do the research in a wide scope and try to get interaction with many people so that I can get more clear ideas during my for my research and help me during my PhD. That helped me a lot. So it's very important to choose a right guide who is in the field of your interest. So let's talk something real. This is a real talk. Doing a PhD in India, as I told, is not just a race. It is a marathon because there are days when experiment fails and you won't get the answers why you are getting fail every time, and it's about learning and dealing with the failures, managing your time efficiently, and finding a work life balance also in the chaos of research. This is what PhD is. So you have to understand this is not a one day game. PhD life is very difficult and managing it is also a difficult task. So one of the reality is that in research the things doesn't goes as per the plan. That is the thing which I always say to all my juniors, that whatever the plan you make, it's in PhD it's not always going to be work like that. I remember a specific experiment that failed repeatedly, and I didn't get the answer why it is happening every time. Instead of giving up, I took up a step back, collaborated with colleagues, and approached the problem with a different way. And it worked. After a year, it worked for me. So, this is what you should do while doing your PhD and while facing some challenge in your PhD. Balancing challenge with passion is an ongoing process. It's about building a support system within your research community. The late night discussion, the collective problem solving sessions, and shared victories. These are the important things that help you to build a good relationship and also help you to balance your life with the passion, with your research life with the passion. One challenge is the isolation, because in PhD you at a certain time you will feel this isolation problem, and to combat that you have to have somebody to whom you can talk, to whom you can share your problem, share your failures, and that can be your friend, your guide, or can be someone to whom you can rely. So that is very important while doing your PhD. Always find somebody in your research group or in your community, research community, to whom you can trust, and to whom you can discuss about your problems, your research problem, as well as your life problems. So networking is very very crucial while doing a PhD. Advice, one advice I would like to give to all the research fellows who wanted to do a research in any field. My advice is to embrace this journey. This is not a small journey. This is a life changing journey, and always attend the seminars, always participate in different cultural activities, and do not hesitate to reach out to other guides also, that because they also give you some inputs through which you can improve your research as well. Also find a good balance between the research life as well as your personal life. The journey might not be perfect, but the imperfection in this journey make it truly yours. Don't shy away for seeking the advice from mentors and from seniors. It's a community effort. Research is a community effort, and you are not alone in this journey. So take these notes, and I'll keep on talking about different aspects of PhD life and different topics related to the PhD. So that subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.